Hello everyone, my name is Chad Samuel Bebamak. Today we're gonna talk about uncertainty. Uncertainty is the lack of predictability, the prospect for surprise and sense of awareness and understanding of issue and events. A state of doubt or unpredictability about the future of a particular situation. It involves a lack of sureness or confidence about outcomes, results, or consequences. Uncertainty is a state of doubt about the future or about what is the right thing to do. Our topic for today is about the quote, uncertainty means not knowing what's going to happen. You don't have all the information needed to make solid plans. Uncertainty means not knowing what's going to happen. The phrase emphasizes the uncertainty is about unpredictability. You can foresaw the outcome of what's coming next. You don't have all the information needed to make solid plans. This part explains uncertainty makes planning challenging. Without complete information, you can't make decisions with absolute confidence. In essence, uncertainty is about dealing with unknowns, incomplete information, and unpredictable outcomes. This quote encourages acknowledging and accepting uncertainty rather than trying to control or eliminate it. This mindset can help you develop flexibility, adapt to changing circumstances, resilience, bounce back from unexpected setbacks, critical thinking, make decisions with available information. The main message of the quote is that uncertainty is about unpredictability and lack of complete information, making it challenging to plan or make decisions with absolute confidence. The quote highlights that uncertainty is the natural state of not knowing what will happen next, and it's essential to acknowledge and adapt to this reality. The main idea of the quote is that uncertainty means not having all the information needed to predict outcomes or make perfect plans. The gap between desire and reality. The quote highlights the fundamental human limitation of not being omniscient. Our minds are geared toward prediction and control, but reality often withholds that all the information needed, creating a frustrating gap between the planned course of action and the actual path forward. Implied conflict. The statement implies a tension between the desire for uncertainty and reality of incomplete data. It's the difference between a controlled environment where solid plans work and the real world, which is often messy and unpredictable. The information as the key action. This quote establishes information as the most critical resource for action. Uncertainty is not just a feeling, it is a measurable deficiency of data. The solution to uncertainty, or the only way to move past it, is to either acquire more information or to lower the standard for what constitutes a solid plan. The needed standard, the use of the word needed, is a crucial. It suggests a threshold of confidence. Until that threshold information is met, all plans remain tentative and vulnerable to disruption. The necessity of adaptability and risk. If you cannot make solid plan due to lack of information, the only alternative are to delay action or to act anyway and accept risk. The quote serves as a rationale for why strategies like flexibility, scenario, planning, and accepting calculated risk become necessary. The planning fallacy. The quote tacitly warns against the illusion of perfect planning. If a situation is truly uncertain, waiting for a solid plan is often a plan to fail. as the window of opportunity may close before all information can be gathered. Therefore, the situation demands a shift from planning to adapting.